Hi guys, it's Norman Barite here again. On this video, I'm going to show you how to install free movies and TV series on your Android phone, any Android phone. So, no further ado, let's go. Go to your Google Store or Play Store and just type Film Z and then install it. And since I already installed this one last night and then I tried to play around, observe it for about 24 hours now, so far so good. Yeah, it's up and running. So let's go. Let's open this application now, and this is the applications looks like, guys. Fab, celeb movies, new arrivals, drama, comedy, action, short of time, great movies you haven't seen yet, trailer, and so on so forth. And it's nice, this application, guys, if you have Google Chromecast, or if you are using Android TV or smart TV, you can cast this application to your TV straight away. Then let's try any movies here. Let's try this one now and then play with. Yep. And it's nice copy, guys. There's no 720p, it's about 1080p. Everything is 1080p. So we have to forward this one a little bit.
Hey.
That's right.
Hey, how you doing? I was just joking about.
If you had any idea what's been going on with Sonia, then you wouldn't do as...
Cut that one down. Go back. So once again, guys, this is how it looks like, the FilmZ application. You can download it legally on your Play Store for Android phone and any Android device like Nvidia, Android TV box, anything, or BlueStack if you're using PC or Mac, anything. And yeah, hope this video, guys, helps you a lot. And that's it. This is only a short video, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So once again, hope this video helps you a lot, and everyone stay safe, stay healthy, peace and love.